Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. If you're new to this channel, please do well to tap on the subscription button, hit on the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Today I'll be talking about how to buy BTC in Trust Wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your Trust Wallet, then enter your PIN code. Remember, the PIN code is a code that you keep to yourself. So this is my PIN code. So I want to buy BTC in Trust Wallet. I want to buy BTC in Trust Wallet. So what I have to do now is to tap on BTC. So this is my BTC, and this is the strategize. This is price for BTC in the market. I'll tap on buy. Now select any of the um currency that you're using for buying it, so that the price for that will come out, that will be shown to you. The price for it will be shown to you. So I'll be using USD, that is in dollar market. So that is it, guys. This is how to buy BTC using your Trust Wallet. So if this video was helpful, please do well to tap on the subscription bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.